A simple function can be created with the def keyword, function name, followed by parentheses and a semicolon.
So here we have two simple functions, and this first one, say hi, we're going to use the keyword def, which tells Python we are defining a function, and then we have the function name. It just has to start with a letter. We use the standard of lowercase and underscore separating words. That is not required, just our standard. And then the parentheses and a colon. And that is your function definition right there. And then you put code underneath, and we'll put many different types of pieces of code in our functions, but right now we're just going to stick with some simple print statements. The indentation is 4 spaces. I can then end the function by ending the indentation. So anywhere where either the cell just ends, or if I put something else in the cell, and in this case, I'm going to call the function. And because this indentation is ended, the function only goes to this point here. So to call the function, I use the function name in parentheses, and then I'm just going to use the keyboard shortcut, Shift and Enter, and it runs the function, which prints these 2 lines, hello there, goodbye. And then I can look at another example where I can call a function from another cell. And in this one, 3 function, it just prints the number 33. I use a def statement to tell Python it's a function. I put a function name, and then I put my parentheses and colon. And I have my function definition again, 4 spaces, and then function code. I need to run the function before I can call it, though. Why do I run it? Because that puts it in memory. Now this cell can call the function because it's in memory, and I just use the function name followed by parentheses, and it prints 33. So those are simple functions. We'll write many more functions in this course.